What is going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift-Onfire. Today's going to be a what sold video, what sold for me recently on eBay and Poshmark. I also want to remind you guys that I'm going to be away for about a week. It's my wife's birthday coming up and we usually try to do a little mini getaway and do something. We're going to do a couple concerts and we're going to go to opening day at Cedar Point in Ohio. We're both theme park enthusiasts, so it should be a lot of fun. We've been there a couple times and it's always a good time. But if you are missing out on some, there will be no Friday video, but if you want a Friday video substitute, I'm going to be on Reseller Evolution this week. Okay, this is on YouTube. It is a Canadian reseller podcast. My buddy Scott, who did the Sunday Night Lives and the Scott Sell Stuff show, I think he changed his channel name back to, I think it's Antique and Profits. I'll pop it up on screen just in case it's wrong. And then Carl, the lazy reseller. Carl's been on multiple shows with Scott, and I've talked to Carl just through chat and stuff like that, but never in person, so it'll be a lot of fun. He's from, I think, Ottawa, Ontario, or that area, so should be a good time. So if you are interested, follow me on Facebook. I'll put a direct link to the podcast when it comes out on Friday. I'll try to do a community share as well on YouTube, and yeah, give them a follow, Reseller Evolution. But for now, let's pull some orders. Get it off today with some eBay sales. First, a Nikon camera. It's a point and shoot. Should be somewhere down here. See if we can find it. It's definitely a silver one. This guy, yeah, Nikon. There's the model AF240SV. This is a film camera for sure. I don't remember where I got this one. I typically pick them up at yard sales for a couple dollars. Sometimes I'll find them at thrift stores for a couple dollars. I don't like to pay a lot for them for sure. This particular one, we got $28 USD for it. Not too bad for an older camera. Next, we sold a Laserdisc. I just listed this, relisted it from ebay.ca to ebay.com. It's in one of these. That's a straight up junk drawer. I think it'll be in here. I think I've got, yeah. I just relisted all these guys right here, okay? There's a couple Disney records, Lethal Weapon, Laserdisc, but this is the one right here, Aliens. Didn't get a ton for it. These Laserdiscs are crazy. A lot of them are super cheap. This one I got $14 USD. I think I had it listed, and I put these back. Listed for, I don't know, maybe 16 or 17, so that was an offer. 14 plus shipping. I bought a whole bunch of stuff that day for, I remember it because we went to a wedding right after. We were just killing some time. I feel like I gave him like 20 or 30 bucks for a whole bunch of stuff, including this. We've already sold some laser discs and stuff too. I think it's Star Wars, the first and second one, and some other stuff. But regardless, happy with that. Next, we sold a Mickey T. This one is supposed to be in the USA bin, which is right over here. Okay. This came from that jersey buy, and my buddy threw in, it's right on top, nice. Threw in a couple of Disney shirts. This one doesn't fit me, too small, obviously. A really cool print. Wound up getting $20 USD on that one. So that was part of the last bulk jersey buy that I made. So that's pretty nice. Quick sale. I think we're going into the LPS next. Yeah, Lululemon sports bra. Picked this up from the Goodwill bins. So it's definitely not worth a lot, because it's super lightweight. It took a really long time to sell this stuff. And I only got, see if we can find it. I think it's probably going to be in here, but in a bag. So hopefully easier to find. A lot of times I'll do that anyway. I think there's something in the bag there. $14 for this, wherever it is. Might have to dig around a little more to find it. Yeah. Right there. I thought I threw it in a bag. That's why I thought it'd be easy to find. But yeah, Lululemon sports bra. Like I said, not a lot, but at the Goodwill bins, probably paid less than $1 for that. $14 USD. Took a while to sell. Dave Mira for PS2, I believe. Dave Mira right here. I believe this is maybe from the attic buy. I'm not 100% sure, but that's kind of what I'm guessing on this one anyway. $9.99 USD plus shipping with the manual. Not too bad. Let's get this stuff out of here. Moving on over to Poshmark.ca, and we pulled this tote down to get this bag out of here. This is a Liz Claiborne It's definitely from the 90s. It's an older bag for sure. Got this at a thrift store for, I don't know, maybe $5 or $6. Not too much, really. Took a while to sell, though, but I got $32 Canadian on this one. We'll throw it over here for now. We're sticking, I think, on Poshmark.ca. Sold my second Edmonton Oilers hat. This is down here. I pre-pulled it because it was buried pretty deep in there. So it's got the colors. It's really just the Oilers patch on this old hat, but it is an old foam hat. Very nice. On this one, I think we got $25 Canadian. Like I said, I think I had doubles of this hat, so that's the second one going out. I'm just going to put the lid back on this guy. I think we're going to put it back in the rack, actually. So let's see if we can get it back up here without wrecking anything. And then, sticking on Poshmark.ca, we're grabbing a bathing suit out of here. I picked this one out of it is still new tags like the Roots ones. It's a black one. It's not in there. It's going to be in this one then. It's Le Vion Rose, I believe is the brand. Yeah, right here. New tags. You know, it retailed for $75, extra small, not a good size. Did pull this out of the bins last year at some point, and then finally just took an offer of $20 Canadian on this one to get it out the door. Even though it was expensive new, it's obviously not highly desirable or anything like that. We'll leave these out for a minute. We're going to skip over to Poshmark.com. So this is USD. I would have thought when I found this at Goodwill that it was going to be worth a lot more money. It's a nice Polo Champion USA, right? It's got the Champion hit on the sleeve there as well. These don't sell for that much money, and I took an offer anyway of $17 USD. Probably could have got more like 20, 24, something like that. This one is made of made in North Marina Island, USA, of imported fabric. I don't know. To figure that out too, but not a lot for that $17 USD. I mean, not bad, but I expected it to be a lot more when I picked it up. Next, a baseball. This is Gaylord Perry. Don't have a lot left, but I might have to cheat and look at the back. So I didn't really try to find these prior. Not any of these ones. You guys see a Perry signature? I don't rate offhand. Right there. The little cards, which makes it a little easier to find. Still have a few balls left, obviously, but 1991 Hall of Famer, Gaylord Perry. $39 USD on this guy. Happy about that. And let's get this round of orders out of here. It is the next day and we're trying to get some last minute orders out. I think I had 3 sales overnight. So not a really good sales day yesterday, but we're still going to get these items out. And one item is a really decent one. So that's good as well. I'll probably sell a few more things today that won't be part of this video. Maybe part of any video. I'm not really sure. I've scheduled my vacation mode on eBay to start at about 3 o'clock this afternoon. You know, we're going to get up early and leave in the morning for our little weekend. It's like 4 or 5 day road trip. So I don't want to be dealing with shipping. So after 3 o'clock today, it'll be all over. But for the sake of this video, we're going to get the last 3 orders out, okay? Starting by going back to this drawer. Well, I guess it was this one, where we pulled the laser disc earlier. We sold this, I think it's the Cinderella. I think it's this one. This video disc, or no, sorry, it's not a video disc. It is a, pretty certain it's this one. Let's pull it out of here and take a look. It's a picture disc, vinyl, Cinderella. Pretty cool. So that guy right there, we wound up getting $18.98 USD. Next, this is a really great one. Tiger Woods material cards, $90. Close this drawer. $90 USD, which was a pretty significant discount for somebody. I had it listed, I think for about 160 or something like that. So 90 US is a pretty big discount. I have another one. I forget if you have 2 or 3, but I definitely have one more. I've got it in my drafts already. I didn't recomp it to see what the last one sold for. When I comped it originally, there were some sold comps pretty high, a lot that are listed really high, but I figured $90 USD, I'll take it. Next, especially when I have another one to list anyway, right? Next, another pair of sandals and another pair of these Manifesto These ones came from the Goodwill bins. Okay. Not in as nice a shape as the last ones you've seen, and the last ones were sort of like the clog mule, where these are more sandal style. However, this is Poshmark.ca, and we did get $45 Canadian on these guys right there. Once again, this Friday, Reseller Evolution, I'll be the guest on the show. I will post, or I'll leave a link down in the description below if you guys want to give them a subscribe as well on YouTube. I will post it on my Facebook page on Friday when it comes out, and then a community post here as well. But I think we're going to wrap this one up. If you guys like videos like this one, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. We'll see you guys soon.